Determination is negation.
By choosing one option, you are choosing to forego all other options. Do you choose music or silence? Are you scientific or artistic? Do you follow your instinct or your reasoning? It's always been this way. Choosing something means giving up something else. An exotic 3-course meal or a quick sandwich. In chef's words, a combi oven or a speed oven. Do you really have to choose just one option? Are you still willing to give up all others? Free yourself from choices. SPEEDX is the only oven that is both a combi and a speed oven. And the whole is much better than the sum of the two. Choosing quality no longer means giving up speed. Choosing speed no longer means giving up quality. Choose not to give up anything. Not even your time. SPEEDX, determination without negation.